Hope you're fine now, friends. This video going to be very special for all of you because a lot of people message me on Instagram that kindly make a video on SafeMoon. What should we do at this time? As you know, the farming of the SafeMoon starts from the previous last one day, friends. As we can see here, at this time the previous last one day change is about negative. That is why a lot of people message me that what should they do, as it's a best time to buy, sell or hold SafeMoon coin. So finally I decided to make a video for SafeMoon holders, for my viewers, for my subscriber, that what is the best time to buy, sell or hold. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel for more news and updates, friends. Now if you have any questions, so kindly tell me in the comment box. I'm trying to answer your questions, friends. If we talk about the current price of the SafeMoon coin, so as you know, the price is about 0.0006 USD dollar, the current price. And the change, you also know, the last 1 hour change is negative, last one day change is negative, and last week change, last 1 week change is positive. But a lot of people ask me about a last one day change, that now the farming of the SafeMoon starts now from the previous last one day, that what should they do. So let's see on the chart of the SafeMoon coin. After that we decide that what is the best time to SafeMoon. Oh my god, as you can see here at this time, now the jumping mood of the SafeMoon coin or again starts now. But if we talk about the problem of you, my friends, which tell me that what is the best time to buy, sell or hold, friends. So look here, the change occur in the SafeMoon in the last 1 hour is a negative 7.64%. That's not mean that the SafeMoon falls down in the last 1 hour, then you said it. No, that's not mean SafeMoon. You should have to be patient. You should have more patience about cryptocurrency marketing, friends. Now if we look the last one day price prediction, so the last one day change as in negative also, as I show you in the start of this video, friends. Last one day change as negative 26.09%, as you can see here, friends. Now if we look the last one week change, as I show you the 700 plus change occur in the SafeMoon coin in the last 1 week. That is, you have to look the previous period of the SafeMoon coin. What's the previous change occur in the SafeMoon coin? You have to look, friends. Don't decide that the last 1 hour, only look the last 1 hour price prediction, last 1 hour change occur in any cryptocurrencies, then you decide that to sell SafeMoon coin or another cryptocurrencies, friends. So please be patient and hold your SafeMoon coin at this time. It's time to hold SafeMoon coin, friends. If you look the technical analysis of the SafeMoon coin, as you can see the last 1 hour, so that is the support level and that is the resistance level. They continue as travel from the previous last 12 hour. They continue as travel between these two lines. As you can see here, falls down, take a jump, falls down, again take a jump, same like that process occur in the SafeMoon coin. And now think, as I show you in the start of this video, that the last 1 hour change at this time currently SafeMoon trying to move upper, friends. So I think hope they move very high and the change become positive, friends. So don't worry about this falling of the SafeMoon coin, that is the temporary fast of the last one day, friends. Don't worry about this and hold your SafeMoon coin, friends. What's your opinion about this? If you agree with me, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe is very important for you if you are a holder of SafeMoon coin.